Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Nut everywhere. Open up! What is up, guys? It's Genuinely Driven back with another video. So today we got a big surprise for the Integra here. A little surprise for you. As you can see, we chose the hottest day possible. It's like 90 degrees.
Jesus Christ.
But you guys probably already know what's going on since you guys clicked on the thumbnail. Yes, we got new seats. Shout out to Bull Boost Racing for getting these seats to me so fast and so easy. It was actually one of the easiest transactions I ever made in my life. I thought it was gonna be way more complicated than that. It's buying seats, you know, it takes forever for shipping and the wait. It was actually a breeze. So thanks to them for shipping out the seats so fast. Let me get out of this car and show y'all the seats though, because they look absolutely killer. Come take a look at them. Well, these are it, guys. These are my Bull Boost Performance racing seats. Oh my God, they look absolutely amazing in the sunlight. Paired up with my Carbow harness belts, they look absolutely amazing. They're black and gray and they absolutely go crazy with the seats. I went with Bull Boost Nardo Gray. They have multiple colors. They have blue, red, purple, and pink, I believe. And they're coming out with a crazy coffee brown color as well. I'm telling you guys, these guys are next up, man. Absolutely freaking killer. I already pre-assembled the driver's seat, as you guys can tell. The passenger seat is not assembled. I'm gonna do that on camera. But I also have my ultra low seat brackets for 94 to 2001 Integra. They should mount right in. And the cool thing about these seats is they come with sliding rails, so I can adjust it forward and back because my legs are pretty long. I am 6 foot, so I was kind of worried about the seats fitting with my legs. But I already assembled the seat and put it in the car just to see if it would fit. I'll show y'all how to do that though, so you guys can see how easy it is if you guys have a 94 to 2001 Integra. Before I do that, I gotta assemble the passenger seat. Shouldn't take too long, should take like 10-15 minutes. And after I assemble the passenger seat, I'm gonna take all the interior out of the Integra, put it in the grass here, and put the seats in. It should go along greatly. We put the driver's seat on the ground for now just to make room, but we got the left and then the right seat bracket, and then we got the mounting bracket right here just to slap on, so then we could put this all together and then just put it on the seat. Shouldn't be too difficult. The driver's seat was a breeze, so yeah, let me get an interior stripped, put this together, and then just put this in the car. So for my Integra, there's 2 bolts in the front. There's one right here, and then there's one right across, right directly down there. Sorry, let me get the camera down there. Then there's 2 directly behind these. There's one right there, one right there. Already got the impact. I took out the front 2, so let me pull the seat forward and then show you the rear.
What do you mean by that?
And then boom, yeah. So then there's one bolt right here, one directly across. Take those 4 bolts out, the seat should come right out. I think this makes for a perfect time to actually vacuum this, clean this out. And as you can tell, there's some stains. There's some crumbs and everything out of the ordinary under this carpet. So I really want to get black carpet for this. I know a company that makes black carpet for these cars, so definitely want to go invest in that because this gray carpet has seen better days. But now it's time for the passenger seat. Let's take the passenger seat out and then let's take out the rear seats. The rear seats are pretty easy. I'll show you a trick to get those out. And then yeah, all the interior should be out. So once you fold the rear seats down, guys, there's gonna be 2 clips if they're not already taken off on your Integra. I'm guessing they're already taken off because most people take the seats out. There should be a clip right there and then right there on the right side. Just grab pliers and you pull directly up and then the clip should come right out. And then after those clips are out, there is a middle post. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. But what you do is you push directly this way to get it out of that, like the male connector out of the female connector, and then you do the same on this side. You push outward and then it should come right out. And now that you got the back part out, all you do is legit directly pull up and yeah, these come right out. Honda. So let me get this all out of the car and let's get cracking with the seats. And now we got, oh fuck. Now that we just finished installing the rails on the seat, Now we're gonna put the bracket on. Finally put the seat belt, as you guys saw in the clip. But yeah, I'm gonna finish putting this bracket on, put both the seats in the car, and yeah, let's get finished. There we are, guys. We got the seat bracket on, all installed. It looks absolutely sick. We got the stock seatbelt bracket, but it looks absolutely killer, guys. It looks absolutely stunning, dog. So without further ado, let's put this in the passenger seat and then put the driver one in the driver's seat, and let's get this all installed. And it looks absolutely amazing. Oh man, nut everywhere. But now that we got her seat done, let's get started with the driver's side. So now that we got the passenger seat installed, I gotta get these rear seat belt buckles unbolted. There's one right here and one right here. And the reason why I'm doing this is because then I can put the seat belt post there, and then we should be good to go. Now that we got the bolts out for each side, one right here and one right there, I'm gonna upgrade it with the longer studs that I got. And these are just better grade bolts, so I'm just gonna slap these in just to be safe at heart. Yeah, let's put this driver's seat in. Oh my God, guys, look at it. It looks absolutely freaking killer, dude. Bulls Boost, man, you guys came out with a killer seat, suede, diamond stitched. It looks absolutely stunning. So let's finish putting the seatbelts in, get everything bolted and test it and see if it's comfortable enough for my daily driving. And just like that, we got the whole interior assembled, guys. Hell yeah. It looks absolutely killer, dude. I ended up putting the back seats in just for now, just so it doesn't look completely gutted. I think it absolutely looks killer, dude. But now that we're in the car, I'm gonna get the harnesses fitted to my chest so I can actually move around and feel comfortable in the car and not be sliding around and like when I turn and stuff like that. Because you know, you wanna be comfortable and safe at the same time. So let's get these harnesses fitted. And there we are, guys. We got the harnesses installed. They feel absolutely amazing. I was expecting them to like cut into my neck and stuff like that. And I know Sparco and Corbo sells like the seatbelt pads for your neck so then they don't cut in your neck. And I didn't end up buying that because I wanted to see if they would cut into my neck since they're so skinny. But they don't, so that's a plus. I don't have to buy extra things that I don't really need. So always check before buying. But you can see these seats look absolutely amazing in here. A total upgrade. Didn't end up putting a safety harness on the passenger seat because I am gonna end up switching these onto that seat when I get a harness bar and wrap the harnesses, because I do know when you do hit a track, really not supposed to have the harnesses bolted into the rear seatbelt mounts. You really need to tie the harnesses to a harness bar. So when I end up buying a harness bar, I'm gonna put these on the passenger and get new harnesses with a safety rating, so when I do hit a track, they can check that and that'll be validated. And then both seats will have harnesses. But I'm gonna quit talking. How about you say we start this car up and take it on the first drive with the new seats?
All right, let's get a cold start. Alrighty, we gotta roll the windows down. All right, let's hit her. Oh my God, it feels absolutely amazing. I'm in the seat. I'm not moving around much. Wow, dude. I'm driving my Integra, and it sounds amazing, dude. Those 1320 exhaust headers absolutely hum. Man, this is nice. This is definitely nice. Man, fun car. And like I said, I'm in the harnesses. Like, I'm not sliding around. You guys can't really see, but I'm going around turns right now, and I'm in the seats right now. Like, I'm not moving, dog. This is gonna be an amazing car. I can already tell. Miata gave me a wave. Oh, temperature's good. It's not overheating. We're under a quarter for 30 minutes of driving, so she's cool. Radiator's working, doing its job, so that's good. And I think it's because of the unequal length headers. It sounds like a Subi. It has like the grumble to it. It's not like a Honda screaming at you at 3 o'clock in the morning when you're trying to get some sleep. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Shorts on. What the hell? That man had booty shorts. I just love the exhaust nut on this, man. Thank you for building a freaking amazing car, Acura. And for 20 years old, man, it's still holding up. It handles great. Oh my God. Stalled it. Stalled it. But I think I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Thanks again for watching. You guys mean the absolute world to me. Thanks each and every one of you guys to keep returning to these videos, running the views up, and just giving me likes, commenting. It means the world. Like, I can't explain it enough. But coming up, we got Kyle's rap review. Stay tuned for that.
5 minutes later.
You couldn't tell, we just transported into infinity. Coming up on the 27th, there's gonna be a car show / drag event at WIR. So if you're in the location, make sure to come out and support. Me and Kyle will be there. He'll be dragging his Hellcat, and I'm gonna be getting some clips of that as well. So you're not gonna wanna miss that video too. But I'm gonna quit recording and driving before I drive through a goddamn gas station.
You see the Chrysler there hit a minivan, and then it slams into the gas station.
This has been Genuinely Driven. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.